Alright guys, so listen. I have a Rubik's Cube competition going on at my school in about 2 days. And there's this kid at my school who gets a 5-second average on 2x2, 15 on 3x3. But all I know is I want to win on 2x2 because I won on 2x2 last year. So I'm going to be practicing for the next 2 days to try to up my speed to beat him. So I grabbed my 2x2 and got right to work. This is my friend Henry, who's also going to be doing the Rubik's Cube competition for 2x2 with me.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm Isaac's friend. I'm doing the 2x2 competition. And I will be competing in the 2x2 with him. I think for the competition, I just want to get better at turning without having any breaks in between each of my algorithms, as that would drastically increase my times. All the algorithms, they're pretty easy. I think that in total I use 6 algorithms for the 2x2, which isn't a lot, but it helps speed the time up pretty fast. That would have been such a fast solve. This is for Isaac.
And after all that practice, it was finally time for the actual competition. Ooh.
Oh. Can you not startle him like that? Oh! Oh! Nice, nice. Dude. Okay, what the heck, Tara?
Ready.
Oh.
Nice one. It doesn't matter if he's good.
Before this video ends, I wanted to thank my friend Henry for joining me in this competition and in this video. He did very good at the competition too. And I'm sorry it took so long to get this video out, but I hope that you and everybody else watching enjoyed it. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.